In this video, I'll discuss how you can manage your saved geostrings and locations. So let's start up the app. The app defaults to your active geostrings list. These are the geostrings that currently have alert checking active. I can also view my inactive geostrings, my favorite geostrings, and a list of all the geostrings in my history. On any of these screens, I can tap this button to change the alphabetical order, either A to Z or Z to A. I can also start typing in a title of a geostring to quickly find a particular one. I don't have that many saved right now, but as you start using the app, you'll find this list will grow quite quickly, and this will help in searching for a particular geostring. You can also start typing in the name of a location, and all geostrings set for that location will appear. If you'd like to edit a geostring, you can tap it to bring up the edit screen. You can also delete a geostring by swiping it off the screen. This will deactivate it and completely remove it from the geostring history. As you notice, I now no longer have any inactive geostrings. So let's go back to my history. I now have 3 geostrings in my history. The GeoStrings app also keeps track of all the locations you've referenced in a geostring. You can view your saved locations by tapping the pin icon. On this screen, you can view your favorite locations, your location groups, which are logical groups of locations based upon similar tasks, such as grocery stores. And you can also view your location history, which is a list of all the locations that have ever been saved by the app. Similar to the GeoStrings list screen, you can change the sort order by tapping this button. You can also start typing in the name of a location to quickly find it, Hancock. Also, you can start typing in the name of a road, city, or state to find specific locations. So anything on Murphy Avenue, or anything in Sunnyvale, or anything in Washington, D.C. As your location list grows, this ability to quickly search your locations will become essential. From this screen, you can also add new locations by tapping one of the buttons at the bottom of the screen. In my Adding a GeoStrings video, I described the different ways you can add a location, so I won't go into those details in this video. If you want to delete a location from the history, swipe the location off the screen. A warning pop-up will appear indicating that by deleting the location, it will be removed from any location groups or geostrings it may be referenced in. Select Yes to confirm the deletion, or select No to cancel it. If you go to your favorites list, swiping a location off the screen will remove that location as a favorite, but will keep it in the location list. So let's get rid of Hancock, and you'll notice that it's still in my location history. If you want to edit the title of a location, you can tap it and type in a new title. So if I want to say home, my home, I can save it as my home. If you'd like to view the location on a map or get directions from your current location to this location, you can tap the map icon to bring up Google Maps. And if you go to your location groups and select one of the groups, you can delete a location from that group by swiping it off the screen. Now Safeway is no longer part of the grocery store's location group. As you can see, being able to save and organize your geostrings and locations is one of the most useful features of the GeoStrings app. GeoStrings is about helping you remember to do things when you reach a certain location, but it also helps you remember all of the previous tasks and locations without you having to do so.